welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Esther, or Ezzy. You can call me whatever you like. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about my Air Force Ones. These babies are so clean. I actually just cleaned them. They weren't super dirty or anything, but I like keeping my Air Forces clean as hell. So I just put in some of these. I think it came with the shoes. Otherwise, I save all my boxes that I buy with the shoes inside. Anyways, but yeah, I put these in so it can be easier, more convenient. You guys don't have to do that when you're cleaning your shoes. Yeah, I washed my shoestrings because they were looking kind of yellow. So yeah, I washed them so they can be super pearly white when I put them back on my shoes. And I made sure to save these Air Force One clips. But yeah, I will get right into the video of me cleaning them, so you guys keep on watching. One more thing, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because I really want this channel to grow, and for it to grow, y'all gotta be here for me, and I will be here for you. I will be here for you. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe. Bye. I forgot to mention this in the video, but I will be using 2 plastic bags for easier cleanup. In this video, I'll be talking quite a bit on some parts on the video so y'all can better understand what I'm doing. So for step 2, you have to make sure you have like a steady hand, especially around the stitching of the swoosh. Usually, using a similar color will help you in the long run when using your glitter. If you make a mistake, the glitter underneath will kind of cover that for you. Y'all, this was my favorite part. Like the way the glitter came off so seamlessly and everything. I was living for it. Anyway, I let the shoes sit overnight because your girl was tired. This took about like 2 hours. But honestly, if you know what you're doing and you've done this before, it will be a lot more quicker. But since this was my first time, don't judge me, but I tried my best to give you guys all the information that you needed when doing your own shoes, especially with sparkles, because it's a lot more messier. But yeah,